Black and blue burgers with bacon bourbon jam coming up next on the Idea Plate. The first step is to prep our burger. I'm using lean ground sirloin. This is much lower in fat as the burger will have a rich flavor from the blue cheese and the bacon jam. Roll 1/4 pound of ground beef into a ball and press to form a patty. Wrap a medium-sized ramekin with plastic wrap and press into the center of the patty to make an indentation. Repeat with the second patty as this will serve as the top of our burger. Fill the cavity with blue cheese crumbles. Cap your burger with the second patty. To seal the patties, apply pressure on the top of the burger while also applying pressure to the side with a flat edge utensil like a butter knife. This step is crucial, otherwise the blue cheese will escape during the cooking process. Now it's time to season our burger. I'm using a rub made with 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, black pepper, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, and a ½ teaspoon of oregano, thyme, and cayenne pepper. I've left a recipe for the blackening rub in the description below. This is a large burger, so season both sides generously. Now that the burgers are prepped, it's time to make our bacon bourbon jam. Start with cooking 1 pound of diced, thick-cut bacon in a Dutch oven until crispy. Remove the bacon with a slotted spoon and place on a plate lined with paper towel. Reserve 2 tablespoons of the bacon grease in the Dutch oven. Put 3 cups of diced Vidalia onion, about 2 medium-sized onions, into the Dutch oven and season with a pinch of salt and pepper. Sauté over medium heat until the onions become translucent. Then add a 1/4 cup of bourbon and a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. Cook until the liquid is reduced in half. Then add your bacon back to the Dutch oven and stir into the onions. Add a 1/4 cup of brown sugar and incorporate into the onion and bacon mixture. Once the sugar is dissolved, add a 1/4 cup of water and stir. Allow the onions and bacon mixture to cook down and caramelize. Continue to cook until you get a jammy consistency. Then stir in a tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, cover, and turn off the heat. We are now ready to cook our burgers. I'm cooking our burgers on the grill. Start with searing each side for 60 seconds so the outside of the burger forms a crust with that blackening seasoning. Then finish on the grill over medium heat until the desired doneness is reached. When your burgers are ready, top with that bourbon bacon jam and enjoy. Okay, these look amazing. Takes a while to make that bacon bourbon jam, but it's so worth it. We did not put a bunch of stuff on the burger. We just wanted it to have that blackened crust, which you can see, and then the melty cheese and that beautiful bourbon bacon jam. I gotta give it a bite. Blackened seasoning, fantastic. Nice crust on the burger. Cheese is super melty, and then you get that sweet, savory bourbon bacon jam. This is awesome. I hope you liked it. We'd love to see you next time. Please subscribe, give us a like, and we'll see you here next time on the Idea Plate. Black and blue burgers with, is that right?
All right, Daddy, don't forget ours haven't been cooked. Can I have a spoon and just go into that bacon jam? My hair looks ridiculous.
Yes? All right.